Hey, pick up the phone, I wanna go. Can you just hit my line? Baby, just one more time. Yeah, what's the time? Yeah, one more time. Yeah, one more time.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Isaiah, and I'm back with another banger. I said I'm back with another banger. Hey, alright. So today we got a little mukbang. You know, show the little pizza. Yeah, your pizza. Show your little drink. Don't forget the beverage. You can't forget the bev. Can't forget the bev ever. Your little drink. Alright. Got a little butt. Got a little mukbang. So like. Oh, it's a button. Yeah. Yo. Hey.
I can really put it on my speaker.
Yeah, I'm icy. Yeah. Bitches call me feisty. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. 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 I say I'm icy. Bitches call me feisty. Buying with the crew and you don't know what to do. Bitches fucking Trey. Yeah, we got guns. And your girl, she got big buns. Yeah. Ballin' like I'm ballin' and we gang bang. All my people blood gang.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
All my people gang bang. Yeah. And I'm on this track. Mac attack. Yeah. I just got done sucking on a.
Ballin' like I'm Curry, me and my niggas. Yeah. Hey. Ballin' like I'm Curry, niggas really about to hurry when I shoot you with that Glock. On the clock, yeah. On the clock, wrist watch, yeah. Dame time, yeah. Dame time. And my raps really rhyme, yeah.
Yeah. Wrist watch. Yeah. Making videos. TikTok.
So you're going to Ghana?
Hell yeah.
You said it?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about?
The food, first of all.
That rice
I'm
and fufu?
I'm gonna be eating rice. Fufu. That omutuo.
What?
Awache.
What's that?
Plantain. How about you?
Can't forget the bev.
How about you? You excited about going to Ireland?
Yeah, in a way. But it's like, I feel like every time I go there, it's too long. Like, I've been there, this would be like my 6th or 7th time going back. Yeah.
For real?
But like, sometimes it just gets longer and longer. Like, first time I went, it was like 2 weeks. Then it went to a month, then it went 2 months, then 3 months. And then it went back to 1 month. And then this year I went for 7 months actually. And now I'm going for a whole year. So I'm gonna do school, finish middle school or whatever. And then I'm gonna do high school.
For a whole year?
Yeah, I'm going for a whole year.
So you're not staying, you're coming back?
I'm coming back, yeah.
You're gonna find a house here?
I'm gonna live with my aunt and uncle. I think I might live with my aunt and uncle.
Where's that? In Brampton?
Grand Valley.
Grand Valley? I don't know where that is.
No, it's like 50 minutes away from here.
50?
Yeah.
Like walking or car?
Car. Yeah.
Oh, that looks like the kid that.
It's Isaiah.
I know, but that Isaiah kid looks like the kid that missed the penalty for England.
Oh, he does.
Pressure on a 19-year-old. And now Italy win.
Nah, but that's actually sad. There's 3 black guys.
Yeah.
2 light skinned, 1 black.
Yeah,
They just, yo. I'm not gonna bash on them. Like, in the moment, when I was watching, because I was watching the game live, in the moment I was like, yo, how you miss? Yo, y'all suck. Yo, how you let the goalie know where you're going?
Say hi to the girls.
But like now actually thinking about it, it's sad.
Hi.
Hi.
Who's your favorite rapper?
Young boy never broke again.
That's why he was like, fuck it, Trey. Fuck it, Trey. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Young boy came back like that, fell for a day.
Shut up.
Cool it rolling. I told Shorty give me it. Shorty. Shorty don't. I mean, you know, I'ma treat her bad. Bad.
Bro, this is like,
Who's your favorite rapper?
I've had like 5 pieces of pizza.
Who's your favorite?
Bro, to be honest, I don't really have a favorite rapper. Like, I like Tory Lanez. Tory Lanez is nice.
Do you like that new song, Scat?
Yeah, it's alright with the baby. Yeah, it's alright.
Yo, Megan got mad.
Who?
Megan. Because you know how the baby and Megan had a song, and then Tory Lanez had like a beef with Megan?
Megan Thee Stallion?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't know? Yo, apparently Tory Lanez shot Megan in the
I
foot.
think I remember that.
Yeah, apparently
Yeah.
Tory Lanez shot Megan in the foot or something.
I think someone told me that.
And then Megan got all mad that
What?
the baby and...
You cannot offer your mother a piece of pizza.
We're making a video. You can't have pizza. This is our pizza.
Just give her one.
You give her one.
Alright.
Mom! Alright, come. Yeah, the tiny. The tiniest piece of pizza. Here you go, Mom. Whoa! Nah, but this is the best video.
Bro, I know I'm not the only nigga who would just let this woman just absolutely beat the shit out of me and just fucking spit all over me. And I know what y'all niggas is about to say, oh, you're so young, man.
Yep.
She's too soft.
Exactly.
She's way too soft. Yo, the last time we did this was a year ago. Just think of that. Hey, yo. Thank y'all for watching this video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys in the next video
It's a real
when I'm back with another video. A year ago.
Fact. Me and Isaiah were originally gonna do a video on Canadian Tire.
Could potentially, we could still do it one day. I don't know.
Yeah. No, but we're gonna do a hide and seek video.
Bro,
Canadian Tire.
it sounds cringy, but it would have been a banger.
Bro, it would have been fun.
Yeah, and it would have been fun. Like, nah, as I said, I'm a chill guy. Like, I'll mess with anyone if you, like, mess with me.
Yeah.
But the thing is, when I posted that song, it's like people were taking me so serious. Like, people thought I was actually out here killing people.
Yeah.
And they wanted to, like, fight me and junk. Like, I wasn't messing with it at all. That's when everything went south. That's when people started hating on me. Got my niggas taking shots. Don't worry about the shots. And my niggas got the odds. My niggas got shots. Now we pulling up your block. My niggas got the shots. Now we stepping on your block. Now I'm running to the house. Fully ducking all these shots. Then running to the cops. Then we gonna get caught. She try to get me hit, but she gonna be this.
Yeah.
And then after that, in like November, that's when just people weren't messing with me, and I cut everyone off. I'd like block everyone. And even now, like about a week ago, unfollowed everyone. All I have
About a week ago.
all I have on IG is you,
Adam.
and Matthew. That's all I have.
Yeah.
I'm just focused on the YouTube right now.
Yeah. Yeah, we should dance.
Yo, I actually did that in one of my videos on my old channel. Yeah.
You did?
At the start, I was playing the little 6ix9ine instrumental, and I was going like, yo, run the clip.
Give me
Bro, just wait, this song is fire. It's a vibe all the time. It's a vibe all the time. Bro, trust me.
Check on who it is.
Bro, just listen to it. It's fire. It's fire.
They keep on testing me. They thinking less of
Just
me.
listen to it.
Been
Yo.
through so much, so I thank God he keep on blessing me.
I got the sauce, I got the sauce, I got the recipe.
I seen it.
Wait, wait,
I'm
wait.
done. I'm done. I'm done.
Wait.
I'm done. I'm done.
It's
I'm
right
done.
here. Pink is a color, blue is another.
I'm a Baltimore lover,
You played that. Pink is a color, blue is another.
Yo,
Alright.
remember that old intro that you had?
Oh, yeah.
With me jumping in the pool in the back and everything.
How did it go? Oh, yeah.
Wasn't it Juice WRLD?
No, it wasn't Juice WRLD. It was like some next guy I saw. You know Noah made SMK?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it was his intro song, and I kind of like stole it.
Hey yo, bling hard twice. Niggas acting hard, so I sit and feel twice. KIA on my SB.
Sure, man.
Niggas hyped up, all bloods feel white. Bad kiddies wanna fuck with my babies, I have to look it back from my clippy on Indy.
My people got shot, son. We pulling up your block.
Stop.
Now we stepping on your Glock. Now I'm running to the house, fully ducking all these shots. They run into the cops. Now we gonna get caught. She try to get me, but she gonna be dead. So the 40 in a bag. Now I'm shooting at her head.
Doesn't rhyme when you don't say it all.
She tried to get me, but she gonna be dead. So the 40 in a bag. Now I'm shooting at her head. Till the ops try again, then they gonna get shot. Popping off the heads, and I'm never gonna stop. Hey, thank y'all for watching this video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Actually, what I should say is thank y'all for watching this banger. Hope y'all enjoyed this banger. And I'll see you guys later when I'm back with another
Banger? Like, what do you mean?
banger.
Too many Glockies. I got a drum, we got the walking stick.
Yeah, catch.
No,
Catch?
don't.
Catch?
Control.